Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Celerio, one of the most talked about budget hatchbacks in India this year. Whether you're a first-time buyer or someone looking for an efficient city car, this video will give you a complete breakdown of the Celerio's main features, components, and of course, its price. Let's start with the design. Maruti has kept the exterior of the 2025 Celerio fairly consistent with the previous generation, but there are a few subtle refinements that give it a more modern touch. The front grille now gets a slightly more aggressive look, with a honeycomb mesh pattern and chrome accents. You'll also notice sharper headlamps, integrated turn indicators, and a more pronounced bumper with fog lamps tucked neatly inside the cladding. Moving to the side, the Celerio rides on 15-inch alloy wheels in the top variant, and it still keeps that compact, city-friendly profile. The rear sees redesigned tail lamps that now resemble a boomerang shape, a sportier bumper, and a high-mounted stop lamp. The overall look feels fresh yet familiar, something Maruti has mastered for mass appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 Celerio continues with the tried and tested 1.0-litre K10C dual-jet petrol engine. This three-cylinder motor produces around 67 horsepower and 89 Newton-meters of torque. It's mated to either a 5-speed manual transmission or a 5-speed AMT, which Maruti calls AGSA auto gear shift. The engine is BS6 Phase 2 compliant and optimized for fuel efficiency, with claimed mileage figures of around 26.5 km/L for the AMT version and around 25 km/L for the manual. That makes it one of the most fuel-efficient petrol cars in India. Inside the cabin, Maruti has given the Celerio a minor refresh. You get a 7-inch Smart Play Studio infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in the higher trims, power windows, electrically adjustable ORVMs, and steering-mounted controls. The dashboard layout remains simple, with a dual-tone theme and hard plastics. But it does feel ergonomic, especially for a car in this price segment. The instrument cluster is semi-digital, featuring an analog speedometer paired with a digital mid that shows fuel efficiency, range, gear position, and trip info. The seats are fabric-wrapped and decently cushioned for short to medium drives. Boot space stands at 313 litres, which is impressive for a hatchback of this size and definitely a plus point if you plan weekend getaways or carry a lot of groceries. In terms of safety, the 2025 Celerio comes equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, a high-speed alert system, and hill hold assist in AMT variants. While it doesn't offer advanced driver assistance systems like lane keep assist or adaptive cruise control, those are still rare in this segment. Let's talk about the variants and pricing. The Celerio is available in 4 main trims, Luxe, and Luxe Plus. Here's a quick breakdown. Luxe manual only, A approx superscript 15.50 lakh, ex-showroom. Luxe manual AMT, A superscript 15.95 lakh to A superscript 16.45 lakh. Manual AMT, A superscript 16.45 lakh to A superscript 16.95 lakh. Luxe Plus, Manual AMT, AA superscript 17.05 lakh to A superscript 17.55 lakh. There's also a CNG variant available in the trim, priced at around A superscript 16.75 lakh. It produces slightly lower power about 56 horsepower but the fuel economy is an insane 35 km/kg, making it ideal for budget-conscious buyers. Now, let's touch upon maintenance and running costs, a big factor for Indian buyers. Being a Maruti, the Celerio's spare parts are widely available and inexpensive. Regular servicing at authorized centers won't burn a hole in your pocket. On average, annual maintenance costs hover around A superscript 14,000 to A superscript 16,000 depending on usage. For those curious about key components and their estimated prices: front bumper A superscript 12,500 to A superscript 13,500. Headlamp assembly A superscript 12,800 each. Tail lamp assembly A superscript 1,500 each. Infotainment screen, 7-inch. A superscript 19,000 to A superscript 11,000. Clutch assembly, manual, A superscript 14,500. Front brake pads A superscript 11,200. Engine air filter A superscript 1350. Battery, OEM, A superscript 13,800. Wiper blade set A superscript 1400 to A superscript 1700. AC compressor A superscript 18,000 to A superscript 110,000. These are rough estimates and can vary depending on the city and dealer network. To sum it up, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Celerio is a solid option for city driving. It offers top-notch fuel efficiency, a decent feature set, reliable engineering, and a brand name trusted by millions. It may not be a head-turner or a performance machine, but for practical everyday use, it delivers exactly what most people want: a value. If you're looking for an affordable hatchback that doesn't compromise on basics and saves you money in the long run, the new Celerio deserves a spot on your shortlist.